Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today we will be learning Lesson 7, the third part of the story of Noah. We will also be learning words about the weather, the days of the week, and the months of the year. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Non-stop. Non-stop. The man ran non-stop all night. Non-stop. Sky. Sky. The rain falls from the sky. Sky. Submerge. Submerge. When something is completely under the water, it is submerged. Submerged. Safely. Safely. Please buckle your seatbelt safely. Safely. Same way. Same way. Let's walk the same way together. Same way. Yesterday. Yesterday. Yesterday I went to school. Yesterday. Today. Today. Today I go to school. Today. Forever. Forever. Forever means not stopping. Forever means non-stop or going on forever. Forever. Now let's learn our power verse. Are you ready? Hebrews chapter 13, verse 8. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. Let's read it one more time. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 8. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. Great job! Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 13. Rain began to fall non-stop from the sky. Soon the water covered the earth, and all the people, animals, and plants were submerged. God took care of Noah and his family, and the animals that Noah brought into the ark. They lived safely in the ark. God looks after you in the same way. Who were inside the ark? We can learn 3 important things from this story. Number 1, God looks after us. Number 2, God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Number 3, God will always look after us because He never changes. Great job! Now let's learn our new English speaking vocabulary words. Are you ready? Rainy. Rainy. Today is a rainy day. Rainy. Sunny. Sunny. Today is a sunny day. Sunny. Cloudy. Cloudy. Today is a cloudy day. Cloudy. Hot. Hot. Today the weather is very hot. Hot. cold, cold. Today the weather is very cold, cold. Warm, warm. Today it is sunny and warm, warm. Cool, cool. Today it is rainy and cool, cool. Now let's learn the days of the week. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Now let's learn the months of the year. Are you ready? January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Great job. Let's practice our English speaking together. Are you ready? Here is the weather report for this week. On Monday, it will be rainy and cool. On Tuesday, it will be rainy and a little cold. On Wednesday, it will not rain, but it will be cloudy. On Thursday, it will be sunny and warm. On Friday, it will be sunny, but it will also be a little hot. Hey, Dan, what is the weather like in America? In December, January, and February, it is very cold. In March, April, and May, it is warm. It is also rainy. In June, July, and August, it is hot. In September, October, and November, it is cool and sometimes cloudy. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice the weather, the days of the week, and the months of the year. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!